Hey, it's Andrew. I'm your guest in the kitchen today. Today we're cooking some potato wedges. If you want to find out how to make some extra crispy, extra good potato wedges, stay tuned. Let's go spice things up. For this recipe, you'll need about 7 potatoes, all evenly sized so that they cook evenly. This is what we're going to toss these wedges in. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and drizzling some olive oil throughout. And your last step will be adding about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. All right, first you want to wash these off. I always use a scrub brush because there's dirt in there and get it all off. So we're going to clean them off, set them aside to dry. Before any cooking job, I like to sharpen the knives. And I found that this method is pretty good. Comment below how do you sharpen your knives? What do you do? Once it's nice and sharp, we're gonna slice these in half lengthwise. And then for a little bit more crisp, I'm gonna cut them into thirds after the half. Having a little bit of smaller sizes, oh, that one I did force, which is fine. Having smaller sizes makes them almost kind of a big French fry. But I like to get them crispy, and the more surface area you get from that potato, the more crisp it can get. All right, now that they're cut, we're gonna put them in a large bowl. You wanna make sure the bowl is large so that you can toss them around to get all the seasonings evenly distributed, and the oil. And we're gonna add the oil. And the seasonings. Once the oil and seasonings are on there, we're gonna toss and stir and whatever it takes to get a nice even coating. These aren't even cooked yet and they already smell good. I am getting so excited for our dinner and the burgers we're gonna pair with these. I was also thinking chili would be good with potato wedges. These are looking pretty good. I kind of estimated on the oil. I probably put 2 tablespoons in. And I definitely try to stick with the olive oil because it's a lot healthier than your canola or vegetable oil. All right, once your mixture looks like this, you want to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon, stir a little bit, and then add the other. The cornstarch actually adds a little bit of a coating so that the seasonings kind of stick to the potato. It's like an extra added layer of flavor and crispiness.
And of course you'll want to spray your pan with cooking spray first before you add the potatoes. This just makes it so the potatoes don't stick to your pan.
I'm gonna gently place these wedges on the pan and separate them so that there's more space. You can also cook these in an air fryer, as with anything from the oven to air fryer. I just kind of wanted to go old school this time, so we're gonna cook them in the oven. Our oven is preheated to 390 degrees and we're ready to go in. We're gonna leave them in for 30 to 35 minutes. About midway through, you're gonna wanna toss them a little bit, turn them, and then pop them back in so they're crispy all around. After 35 minutes, here's your wonderful potato wedges. Turned out nice and crispy. These will go great with some fry sauce or some barbecue sauce or some ketchup, and always good with our burgers that we're about to have. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do so to catch more enlightening videos in the kitchen and out on the barbecue. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.